Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Tinder account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Tinder app on your phone. Let's go ahead, go back to our profile section. You will normally be here in this section. From there, simply switch to this profile icon in the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon given on top right section. Simply go ahead, scroll down to the bottom till you get this option of a delete account. Tap on it, and now simply have to tap on this delete account option again. Then simply have to choose a reason. Once you have chosen that reason, you will again tap on delete my account, and you will simply be able to provide a verification method. Once you provided that, you will be able to delete your account, and that is it. If you want to make your account again, we have uploaded a video regarding how you can create an account on Tinder. You can check that out. But other than that, this is simply the way you can delete your account. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.